We are done with all the tiling on our Stittsville bathroom project, and before the glass and the plumbing be finished, which is happening tomorrow, I just wanted to quickly go over a few features on our project because this was really the fun one. So we'll have, as you see, there's a drain and connection for our floor standing tub filler. So all this area there will be freestanding bathtub, as you may have seen in the previous video. And we have 3 slope linear drain shower floor. And so you see this grout line here is where the edge starts, and at this point this is where the screen will roughly end. Oh no, it may line up with the drain, with the grate there. So the glass will, as we always do, put right into this Deco-SG channel. So when the glass goes in, there will be no channel on the surface of the tile. And we have that, so this is the detail above the glass, fits right in. And the Deco-SG from Schluter system is overlaid with this jolly matching the round deck edging on our niche. And this is another feature. First time ever we put 2 20-inch niches together. So this is 40-inch tall niche with 3 shelves in custom heights, so you can say where you want a shelf and we'll put it there. So you have, this is pretty much the best storage possible. Instead of doing 2 independent niches, this gives you an extra inch of room, which in the niche 1 inch makes a lot of difference. And so we have a same round glass mosaic as a little strip going up, and as you probably know, here's that Aria Pro vent or ventilation getting into the shower. Nice, clean, perfect detail. I can feel the airflow coming out. So we kept it in mainly for the cooling, for the AC, because we have obviously floor heat, which is just kicking up right now. And as we discussed before, we had in all the boxes of the tiles, we have only 3 different patterns. But yeah, my clients played with the different options, and this is what they came up. And I think it's a brilliant idea, almost like a center matching. Book matching means it's identical both sides, but being pretty much making a circle of those identical tiles. So there was a tile A, tile B, and I believe this one was C right here, and we just had them going up and down. So as you can see, it turned out really, really interesting. So this was a super fun project, a lot of fun stuff tile wise. So tomorrow the glass is going in, obviously all the plumbing will be finished, and the freestanding bathtub being put right here. And we mentioned the heated floor. We have a tiled baseboard all the way around, so there's no wood, there's just tile. So this whole room is pretty much a wet room. Water can go only down this drain or out the door. Nowhere else ideal solution and easy for cleaning. And this is a toilet with the bidet seat, but we'll dedicate extra video just for that option. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.